You're gonna love the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Equinox delivers advanced safety features, family-friendly passenger comfort, technology that keeps you connected and entertained, ample cargo space, and sculpted styling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.